Thank you for catching up with me. I'm looking at a 2024 Honda Accord. They have hybrids and the gas version, the few less expensive Accords. Starts with gas, and then as you
Yeah.
go to sport, and it's EXL, then it goes to a hybrid. From what I've seen
Red
online,
or white.
they're pretty impressive. I also gonna go over the interior a bit.
Yeah,
Show the gas
still
cap. I
have
got a
the
couple Honda
little bit of the
pictures from
style
the
of the
Honda
previous one.
cars online, and stay tuned to see them.
At the Honda dealership, looking at this Honda Accord hybrid here. Is the sport, two colors. It's really nice wheel over here. This the radiant red color. Has the 18-inch sport wheel. It's the Sport L. So it has the leather seats inside. Memory seats. This is really cool. Alright, this is nice.
So the Honda website does it pretty well. Four modes. It's gonna be a hybrid vehicle. That's a digital screen. Man, so I didn't have access
Is
to the keys. So I posted a couple pictures.
different. Let's see. Has a hybrid right on the side there. Cruise control, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and distance setting. This feels pretty nice here. Your volume. The detail. This is a nice detail. I do wish I had this type of steering controls. I like the steering control here. The pictures and the pictures doesn't give it justice. Looking at it online, I definitely, yep, you kind of hear that. I had some preconceived notion. This is the hybrid button where you can drive in electric. About this vehicle.
Turned out I like the design better than looking at it
I
online.
did want to explore it further because I like the previous version, but based on the look of the inside on this is a pretty nice one too. Maybe the outside will grow on me. Let's go check the back. USB-C charging for and data, and USB-C for charging there.
You can have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto connected in the USB-Cs for data. One more thing. I like the fact that Honda has digital screen and the odometer where you see the speed there. You can see the map, and also it has Google integrated in the vehicle.
Still have the brake hold system, parking brake. And there's a normal outlet in here. Cigarette lighter. You smoke in the car anymore. Topless gas cap, so you don't have to worry about losing a gas cap anymore. It's 19-inch wheel, 235. power, but spring loaded to push it up automatically, so you don't have to worry about how heavy it is. This is the hybrid. Let's see. Have no spare. This tools. Pretty good trunks. Pretty good size trunk. Pretty wide too. And then to help you close it. So it's supposed to have a 200 horsepower combined. It's 2.0 direct injected. 46 miles per gallon CD, 41. Let's check the trunk. Good size. It looks like they kept similar space in the previous Accord. That has some Accord videos. But this is nice. Memory seat. Still hybrid, so you're gonna save a lot of gas there. Blind spot sensors. That's pretty cool. The light can go on me. Red or white. No, it still have the little bit of the style of the previous on the Accord. I believe it looks like it has more space in the headroom in the second row. The first was always good, was always great. It's pretty amazing. I'm kind of growing up to it. It's a pretty nice seating. Cloth seats. This is for the sport. Still have the blind spot sensor even. That's the sport hybrid. The big screen over there. This does feel different than what I was thinking of. And that's probably why Honda kept with it. Still 41 miles per gallon highway, 46 CD. Like the previous wheel for the Accord and Sport. Price a little bit lower than the Sport L over there. Still have the adaptive cruise control. I think that's a pretty good option. Let's see if we can turn on the lights. Yeah, nice light. So, either the HID or LED light. It looks like it's LEDs. Cause I can see the yellow on it. Turns off the light to save your battery. I don't even have a key for this. If I want to have a key for this, I'll have to go inside and yeah, I like the steering wheel. I like the screen, big screen. This color is still blue, pearl, still night pearl, so it's a blue. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Actually take some of these pictures from the Honda website, the still pictures, the Honda cars, so you can get more information there. I was pretty impressed by the vehicle, and if you'd like me to take it for a test drive, let me know.